Hey guys, welcome back to Market and Munch. Today we will be visiting Burger King India, one of the country's fastest growing QSR brands.
In this vlog, we'll be exploring their target market, retail format, site evaluation, location, and sustainable competitive advantage, all through the lens of organized channels.
Let's step inside and find out what makes Burger King such a strong player in India's food retail market.
Burger King mainly targets urban millennials and Gen Z customers, the people between the ages of 16 to 35 who value taste, speed, and affordability. The customer base includes college students, office goers, and families looking for a quick yet satisfying experience. Their brand positioning, Your Way, highlights customization and offers comfort.
They use self-order kiosks, digital menu displays, and mobile app ordering to create a modern, tech-driven customer experience. This organized retail format helps maintain food speed, consistency, and convenience, the pillars of Burger King's brand promise.
So Burger King's success in India is mainly based on three competitive advantages, and those are firstly strong brand identity. As a global brand, Burger King is well recognized, and its food Whopper differentiates it from its competitors like McDonald's and KFC. Secondly, localization of menu. To connect with Indian taste, Burger King offers vegetarian, spicy, and regionally inspired items such as Paneer King and grilled burgers. Thirdly, efficient operations and technology. Their kitchens use standardized equipment, digital ordering systems, and data analytics to ensure efficient and consistent product quality.
Their approach includes opening new stores in high traffic urban areas and malls, offering value combos and limited time deals to attract customers, leveraging their Burger King mobile app for online ordering, royalty points and delivery integration, and introducing drive-through and takeaway models.
Now I'll be evaluating the site of Burger King. As you can see, the shop is at the corner and we are currently at Sector 35 Kharghar. As you can see, the visibility is at the peak of Burger King because they have chosen the location very strategically, as they have planned the location at the corner. And now we'll be entering their parking space. That is the two-wheeler parking space where Burger King has kept ample space for parking. And this is the four-wheeler parking space with also public transport convenience, because right in front of Burger King we have an auto stand. Also, their signboards are so big that their visibility is at the maximum part possible.
All the raw material is supplied through approved vendors, and they use cold chain logistics to maintain the freshness from the warehouse to the restaurant. Advanced systems like EDI and RFID is used to help track inventory and manage real-time orders.
So the Burger King outlets in India are generally located in planned high traffic zones, malls, food courts, and busy commercial streets. These planned locations offer visibility, accessibility, and consistent customer flow, aligning with the brand's convenience and comfort strategy.
So that wraps up our visit to Burger King India, a brand that blends global fast food efficiency with local taste and strategic expansion. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.